What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to ICNV Drives Edition. I'm out in the C8 and I wanted to drop a quick video pretty much getting into, now that the information has come out about how they're going to base their allocations and that there are some supply chain constraints. What do we think the allocations are going to look like? Let's talk about it. As you saw in my previous video, I told you that my contact hadn't reached out and we didn't have a chance. I wasn't properly updated about the information that came out with the memo on the C8 allocations and constraints for the Z06. But now that that information is out and I've had a chance to sit down with him and talk to him about it, and we had a very interesting conversation, what he's sitting there telling me is that expect somewhere between 20 and 30% the 3 LTs that were made to be the baseline allocation for the C8 Z06. So, okay. So if we look at it like that, we're looking somewhere around 7,500 cars, possibly 10,000. That's not terrible, but it's a lot lower than what many people were hoping it would come out from this whole Z06 frenzy. A lot of people were hoping for 12,000 to 12 to 15,000 cars, especially since they started making C8s for 2023 early in the year, and the production cycle or the production run that many people are expecting is for it to end somewhere in March or May of next year. So they were just hoping they can somehow get to double digits, like 15,000 C8 Z06s, which I just have never seen. I've been saying that for the longest. The next thing to come out of this is, which I think is very key information. We were talking about the Z06 constraints. And what he came out and said to me, although it's not going to be officially stated, and this is the information that was shared with him or rumored to him, is although it's not going to come out and be officially stated, the aero packages are pretty much going to be limited to the most highly valued vehicles. When you see the constraints on the aero package for the Z06, but it says GM will assign the packages to certain vehicles or certain orders, well, what you're seeing is, or from the information that he's sharing with me, is that pretty much if you have a 3LT and it's going to be a fully loaded car, you will get the priority for the carbon fiber aero package. And the carbon fiber aero package priority will go to any cars that also have the carbon fiber wheels. So the carbon fiber, so the bills with the most expensive bills and the most expensive packages are going to go hand in hand. So it's not a bit officially stated, or GM's not going to come out and say it, but what you're going to actually see is that if you're not getting carbon fiber wheels, you're not going to really be a priority for the carbon fiber aero package. What's supposed to come from this is that anybody looking to get a fully carboned out car like the carbon fiber aero package with the carbon fiber wheels, they're going to feel those, or that aero package is going to get assigned to that car first. They're not going to stop that customer from getting a fully optioned out vehicle. So expect to see these feasible restrictions, whereas the aero package may stick to being base aero packages on cars that aren't fully equipped. 1LTs and 2LTs will take the least amount of precedence when it comes to the aero package. So for all the customers, or for the people that were thinking they were going to buy a 1LT with a Z07 package, Don't see that happen anytime soon. You're probably going to get hit with the restraints. It's not officially stated, but this is what I'm being told, and this is what is believed is going to happen. So if you're looking to get a fully optioned out vehicle, you're going to have to go with more optioned out options. At the same point in time, I'm also being told expect the higher build option vehicles to get selected for production first. No, it's not being said, or at least it hasn't officially been said yet, but that's the trend that they're expecting to take place. So from my sit down, what I'm getting is that GM is going to put out the best representation of the C8 Z06 first, followed by all other builds. So expect a lot of maxed out 3LTs to hit the market or hit the streets first. Expect anybody that's looking to get a Z07 package, your order will be filled first, or you will get your Z07 package if you are including the carbon fiber wheels. If you're not including the carbon fiber wheels, you're not going to take the priority for a carbon fiber package. That's just how things are going to play out for at least the first round of production and so forth, but we will see as time goes on. So that makes me reevaluate my C8 Z06 order, or my C8 Z06 build, which I guess I gotta release that. So I'm gonna sit down and get that video out real quick. And this is why I told everybody I built 3 cars. And the reason why I built 3 cars is because if I do end up with an allocation and this type of situation happens, I have a different way I want to go. I don't want let's just say if I was to get a allocation tomorrow, I don't want anniversary edition car without the Z07 package. Just not something I want. To me, it's a waste of money. But at the same point in time, I can go with a Amplify orange car, or honestly a red mist C8 without the Z07 package. I don't need it on a red mist. I can do an Amplify orange car with just the base aero package or the base C's. I don't need the Z07 package. So that's why I say, to me, it comes down to different builds, because if I was to get the Z07 package, which I'm really not looking to get, but if I was to get the Z07 package, I would definitely want it on an anniversary edition car. So I'm going to have to spend the money. But if I'm not getting the Z07 package, or if I'm just getting the aero package, I would like that on like an Amplify orange. I would want it to be a different color, something that's just going to pop. And the reason why I say Amplify orange is because I really would like an orange car, and then 2, I'm not going to keep it that color. If I get an Amplify orange car, I'm going to wrap it. I don't even know why we get into this conversation, but and if I can't get the aero package, I would want like a red mist. I wouldn't wrap that car. I would let that just sit like it should. And to me, the red mist that was shown in the C8 reveal, that to me all day long is a car I could truly enjoy. So that's kind of how I go. I'm not even getting into this. So when it comes to these options, expect, and I hate to say like the specs, you may get hit with some restraints if you're not really maxing out your build. That's what I'm being told. That's what's expected to come. So we'll see how that actually plays out. But like I said, I just wanted to get that information out real quick because it was shared with me, and it was one of the few good points that came out the meeting. So I will hit you guys later, talk with you later. Stay blessed, stay safe, see you in these streets. ICNV Drives Edition. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, share the information. That's like a little hidden Easter egg, or this is why we're cutting code out, but we'll see how it plays out. Until the next video, peace.